and dry it. Maybe not the best idea to use a washed filter, but it's like this. And 3 more. It looks more clean than the new one. Dusty. I see the dust coming out. It's pretty black. That looks pretty clean. And those are the screws, 2 and 3, and those brackets like that. Okay. This is the washed one. It's not new. Make sure it's flush. All edges. Then these hooks here. First that. Here. So first the hooks here, position it, and last check. Okay, hooks. Okay. 5 screws. You don't have to put a washed filter, you can use a new filter. New filter is much better, but it's not like that. It's a bit of a temporary. It goes like this. So air comes through here, goes through this, and then to the. So this is the good side. Air flows like this. That's the good side. This one is a bit cracked, so try to be careful with that one. So the air flows like this. So this is the good side here. It's the same filter. Use compressed air to remove the dust and wash it for next time. Oh, that's the screwdriver. Okay. EGR. This goes to the EGR valve. And press it down. That's all. It's a bit pointless to clean it with dust. The old one you can use compressed air to clean it and then wash it, and you could reuse it, but better to use a new one. Maybe this one is too dirty, so I'll have to buy a new one. It's a temporary fix. When you don't, this is the clean part. If you don't have a new filter, you can clean the old one. Let it dry for at least 2-3 days before you put it in the car. Do not put a wet filter in the car. You have to let it dry for at least 2-3 days. Don't put a wet filter in the car there. That's all. Let's see if it starts.